Hello, I am Rimi Krishnan Chakraborty. I am from Tripura and I've done my master's in clinical psychology from Amity University, Noida. And recently I have cracked the MPhil exam in LGBRIMH. After I've done my master's, I was looking for a coaching. I was looking for a guide because I have realized that for MPhil exams, be it any kind of exam for MPhil, your basics need to be very polished. So UPS education has helped me a lot understand my basics, and also Arvind sir's classes, they are great. Like, the thing about Arvind sir is he's not only a great educator, but he's a great mentor. I remember after every classes there would be a half an hour gap where we would talk about our doubts of the respective topics that was being studied in that class. And during those doubts, we would ask him a lot of doubts that we have with this field. And especially like last year, there was a time when RCI was making a lot of changes and we were not able to keep up. We were very confused. So sir made sure that he separately gave us time to clear all those doubts. And also, UPS education helped me have a proper routine while preparing. Right? So after each and every concept was done in class, we were instructed how to go on with the topic, how to go on with the notes, which tests do we attend first. So that really helped me and helped me, prepare well for all the exams. Online portal, it has 3 different kind of MCQ tests. To start with, we will have practice tests. So after reading and going through the topics that you've done in class, running notes that you take while doing the class, and also the notes that UPS education provides, you can start with the practice test. After you're done with the practice tests, you can go forward with the self-assessment tests. For a self-assessment test, you need a certain amount of number. There's a cutoff, after which only if you clear that cutoff, you can move on to the next test. Right? And for me, while I firstly finished all the practice tests, then after, let's say I was done with 60 to 70% of the self-assessment tests, then simultaneously started mock tests. How the mock section helped me was, they help you understand with negative marking. Right, like I had a problem with negative marking, and there are a lot of universities which have negative marking. While you start giving the MPhil exams, you will understand. So for mock exams, there is negative marking also. So that is like a real exam that you go and give in the when you go to the exam center, the kind of exam that you will give, that's like a real exam. So so that is very important too. So to start with, UPS education has helped me clear all my doubts. Like the staff members, like they were so polite to me. Before each exam, I remember I used to have a lot of doubts regarding, let's say, when will the admit card come out, or are there any past year question papers available, or any kind of doubt. They are ready to help you. You just have to reach out to them and tell what you're going through, and they will help you. And the whole atmosphere of UPS education is very motivating and very positive. Everyone is so nice to you. And for Arvind sir, I would say that there are some people, when you meet them and when you have a conversation with them, after that you feel good about yourself. So that is the aura that Arvind sir has. The best thing about Arvind sir, I would say, that is that aura. Of course, it's really motivating. I remember whenever we would have doubts about ourselves, and there were a lot of us who would say, "Sir, I'm not able to do it. Sir, I'm facing a lot of rejections." But he would motivate us so well, and he would explain the concepts with his we would give some small personal examples of his life. So that used to make our classes very interesting. And no matter how many times you ask him a doubt, he's going to be there for you and explain. it to you. So it would not be possible for me to crack the exam if it was not for UPS education, the whole team and us all.